Market. Just in time for back to school and fall, busy families are looking for easy meals and snack solutions. Here to help is TV host and supermom chef Jessica Formicola, who is teaming with Sprouts Farmers Market to provide some time-saving inspiration for busy families. Jessica, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
All right, this time of year is so busy. What is a top time-saving tip?
My top tip is to use fresh ingredients when you're preparing meals for friends and family, and that's why I've partnered with Sprouts Market. They have fresh produce and they have a ton of different products that meet different dietary needs.
There you go. Okay, we all know breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so do you have some easy breakfast suggestions for us?
Sure, you hit the nail on the head there, and my kids need to have a full stomach when they leave for school. They love this grain-free granola with yogurt. I put a ton of fresh fruit in there. It's absolutely delicious. If you want some extra protein, you can use a Greek yogurt. And they also love handheld items. So these sausage croissants, they have scrambled eggs and cheese in them. They can grab them and go on their way to the bus stop. Super easy and packed with protein. And if you like dessert for breakfast, something a little sweet, these mini chocolate chip pancakes are always fun.
All right, so yummy. Now let's talk about lunch. What are some unique and tasty inspirations you have for lunch?
I am always on the lookout for new things to put in my kids' lunchbox, and Sprouts has you covered. They take the guesswork out of it. They again have a lot of fresh produce, so you can always throw something green in there. They have wholesome chips. They have sandwiches. This one is made with freshly baked bread and slices of turkey. And again, they have all sorts of products to fit all sorts of dietary needs, so you never get bored.
All right, and we know most kids come home from school and say the words, "I'm hungry." What are some back to school snacks or school snacks that you have that can get kids excited?
Well, these are great for kids, but they're also great for the adults. This is a snack charcuterie board. Who doesn't love a charcuterie board? Have the kids help you make it. They're more apt to eat it if they have had a part in what goes on to the board. This one has bite-sized peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, mini grilled cheese with the crust already cut off, and a rainbow of fruits and vegetables. My kids are in love with this golden kiwi right here, so make sure you pick up a couple of those.
Perfect. All right, what's cooking for dinner?
Well, sometimes I'm not cooking for dinner because I've cooked all day. So I let Sprouts help me out there with their grab-and-go meals. This one's one of my favorites. It's a fettuccine Alfredo with grilled chicken. You can throw some broccoli, some roasted red peppers in there. And at my house, it does not have to be Tuesday for tacos. These are chicken street tacos. They are heat and eat, always delicious and always a winner. But the real tip is to just let Sprouts do the prepping for you. Grab a heat and eat meal full of chef-prepared flavors. They're always guaranteed to be delicious.
Wonderful. Where can we go for more information?
For more easy meal solutions, go to sprouts.com.
Perfect, Jessica. You've made it so easy for us. Thank you for being with us today.
Have a great day.